When the zucchini harvest is overly abundant and you are running out of options, it is time to get creative. Zucchini pineapple is a fun alternative that I use as a substitute for pineapple in dump cakes and other desserts. Equipment needed includes a boiling water canner, pint jars, rings, and single-use lids, jar lifter, funnel, magnetic lid lifter, headspace measurement tool, clean damp cloth, ladle, colander, knife, peeler, and cutting board, large sauce pot, stirring spoon, or spatula. Before you start preparing your food, place a canner rack in the bottom of a boiling water canner. Begin filling the canner with clean warm water for a canner load of clean pint jars. You will need to adjust the amount of water so it will be 1 to 2 inches over the top of the filled jars. Center the canner over the burner and preheat the water to 180 degrees Fahrenheit for hot packed foods. You can begin preparing food for your jars while the water is preheating. Clean zucchini under running water. Peel the zucchini by pushing the peeler away from your hand in a downward motion. Cut the zucchini into half-inch cubes or shred. Be mindful of safe knife handling practices. Into a large sauce pot, add 4 quarts cubed or shredded zucchini, 46 ounces of canned unsweetened pineapple juice, 1½ cups bottled lemon juice, and 3 cups sugar. This will yield about 8 to 9 pints. Thoroughly mix all ingredients. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer for 20 minutes. Remove the jars from the boiling water canner one at a time, carefully draining the hot water from the jars. Fill the jars with the mixture. Leave 1/2 inch headspace. Wipe the lid with a cloth dampened with warm water. Add and adjust the lids and rings. Use a jar lifter to return the jar to the canner. Make sure the jar lifter is securely positioned below the neck of the jar. Keep the jar upright at all times. Tilting the jar could cause food to spill into the sealing area of the lid. Recommended process time for zucchini pineapple in a boiling water canner with altitudes of 1,001 to 6,000 feet is 20 minutes, using the hot pack method for half pint and pint jars. Be sure to check your county's elevation. When the jars have been processed in the boiling water canner for the recommended time, turn off the heat and remove the canner lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing jars to allow the canner contents to settle. This waiting period is not required for safety of the food when using USDA or University of Georgia processing times, however. Let the jars sit undisturbed while they cool, from 12 to 24 hours. Do not tighten ring bands on the lids or push down on the center of the flat metal lid until the jar is completely cooled. Remove ring bands from sealed jars, put any unsealed jars in the refrigerator and use first. Thank you for watching, and for more information, contact your county extension agent or visit the National Center for Home Food Preservation website.